Yo, what's going on guys, Rebuilds NI here, come back with a new video. Today we're going to try something different. We're going to be repairing this headlight. It's got really deep scores on it. Now this is off a 2012 Ibiza, Seat Ibiza. And it's got big scores, so we're going to try and get them out, save us a bit of money. It's just so if any of you out there get by a wee car and the headlight looks rough and it's really badly scored, you can easily take them out. Now, the things you're going to need to do this is just obviously sandpaper. I'm going to try it with about 500, and then I'll go up to 800. And then I'll go to 1500 and I'll go to 2000 and then try and buff it up and see if it comes up. Now if that doesn't work, we'll just de-air down with about 500 and we'll just lacquer the headlight, no lacquer the lens. Sometimes that there works better than anything. But we'll try this and see, sure, we might as well try it. Now another thing, you could do this with really dull faded headlights, like that almost look yellow. You can do it with them. So basically what we're going to do here, we're going to de-air around this with 500 first, try to get most of these old scores out, and then we're going to go up to the 1800 and rub by hand with a wee bit of wet sandpaper, and then go to our 1500 and then 2000 and just hit it with a fast cut buff, and hopefully it will come up like new. Now I'm not saying it will, but we'll try it and see. So anyway guys, let's get cracking.
Oh,
So you have it, guys. Got the score all out there. Looking pretty good, so it is. I just made this wee video just to show you if you buy like a damaged car or even your own car and there's scores up with lights, and it's going to save you 40 quid going out and buying a headlight. A lot of people say you can't really DA scores out, but to me you can. Don't get me wrong, if you look at it you can see like a wee bit of shadiness there, but if you were really fussy you just tape that light off around it and just blow it in with lacquer. If you want to see a video like that there, you know, drop a comment. I'll definitely make a video on it. And to me it actually doesn't look too bad. I'd be happy enough with that. No score there at all. The score, don't get me wrong, you look right in it, you can see like a wee tiny score there just. But other than that there, it's turned out really, really well. Now the way I done that, obviously I said at the start of the video again 500 and 800, and then unfortunately I didn't have any 1500, so I just went straight to 2000, and it actually doesn't look too bad. And the compound I was using was G3 abrasive compound. It's good stuff in my opinion. I would use it, but I was using fast cut as well, but fast cut tends to fill the scores in more than anything. So after a while you panel wipe that and stuff, you'll still see your scores from the likes of your wet sandpaper and stuff. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and drop a comment down below. And I was looking at my statistics and there's still 80% people not subscribed, so these people, can you please subscribe? You know, it would help the channel out a lot, help us grow and stuff. Anyway guys, been Rebuilds NI out.